Choosing the perfect tablet without breaking the bank is super important, especially for students who need something that works well and doesn't cost too much. If you want a device for taking notes, surfing the internet, or working on assignments while you're out and about, the best budget tablets provide good screens, dependable battery life, and enough performance for daily use. After doing a lot of research and comparing different models, we've put together a list of the best affordable tablets for students. Don't forget to check the links to these tablets in the video description below. Let's jump in and check out our top choices. The Lenovo Tab P12 stands out as an impressive Android tablet, featuring a spacious 12.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a sharp 3K resolution. This makes it great for both work and entertainment. It runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage, ensuring it handles daily tasks and multitasking smoothly. Operating on Android 13, it provides a sleek and modern interface, complete with a taskbar that enhances multitasking capabilities. For those who love to create, the included Lenovo Tab Pen Plus allows for accurate note-taking and drawing on the vibrant display. The audio experience is also top-notch, featuring quad JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos support, which really elevates multimedia enjoyment. The tablet has a stylish design and includes a fingerprint scanner for extra security. However, some users might find the battery life to be just average, even with its 10,200 mAh capacity. It supports Wi-Fi 6 for speedy internet, but it doesn't have cellular options. Additionally, the optional keyboard folio accessory can turn the Tab P12 into a more laptop-like device, making it even more versatile for productivity. Overall, with its large, high-quality display, reliable performance, and handy accessories, the Lenovo Tab P12 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a capable Android tablet for both work and leisure. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is an affordable tablet that boasts a stylish design and a spacious 10.5-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1200 by 1920 pixels, delivering clear visuals for daily activities and watching videos. It runs on a Unisoc Tiger T618 processor and offers choices of 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, along with storage options from 32 GB to 128 GB, which can be expanded using a microSD card. The tablet has a sturdy metallic construction, measuring only 0.27 inches thick, giving it a premium feel. Its quad-speaker system with Dolby Atmos enhances audio quality, making it great for streaming and casual gaming. Operating on Android with Samsung's One UI, it provides an easy-to-navigate interface and features like split-screen mode for multitasking. The battery life is impressive thanks to the 7040 mAh battery that lasts throughout the day. It also includes an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera, which are sufficient for simple photography and video chats. While it may not perform as well as more expensive tablets, it manages everyday tasks and light work quite effectively. The presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack is a nice touch for those who like wired headphones. Samsung Quote S dedication to software updates adds extra value, keeping the device up to date for a longer time. Although there are some drawbacks in terms of performance and screen brightness, the Galaxy Tab A8 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable tablet for media, browsing, and basic productivity. The Apple iPad 10th generation marks a notable upgrade in Apple's tablet series, showcasing a new design that resembles its more premium models. This version features a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels, delivering sharp images and bright colors for an engaging viewing experience. Equipped with the A14 Bionic chip, the tablet offers strong performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Its sleek, all-screen design with flat edges is available in several appealing colors, like yellow, silver, blue, and pink. The addition of USB-C enhances connectivity, allowing for quicker charging and better compatibility with accessories. A landscape front-facing camera is a new feature for the iPad line, greatly improving video calls. It also supports the first-generation Apple Pencil and the new Magic Keyboard Folio, making it suitable for both creative and work-related tasks. Storage starts at 64 GB, which might not be enough for some users. Running on iPad OS, it provides an easy-to-use interface and access to a wide range of apps. Although it doesn't support the second-generation Apple Pencil or have a fully laminated display like some higher-end models, the iPad offers a good mix of features and accessibility, making it an attractive choice for those looking for a versatile tablet. The Amazon Fire HD 102023 is a great budget-friendly tablet that combines useful features for casual users and fans of Amazon. This new version features a bright 10.1-inch Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, which makes it perfect for watching videos and browsing online. It runs on an octa-core 2 GHz processor with 3 GB of RAM, providing decent performance for everyday activities, although it might not handle more intensive apps very well. You can choose between 32 GB or 64 GB of internal storage, and it can be expanded up to 1 TB with a microSD card. The tablet operates on Fire OS, Amazon's unique Android-based system, which works well with their apps and services, but doesn't include the Google Play Store. The battery life has been enhanced, now lasting up to 13 hours with mixed usage on a single charge. It also has USB-C for quicker charging and data transfer, along with dual-band Wi-Fi for better internet connectivity. The camera setup has been improved too, featuring a 5-megapixel rear camera and a better 5-megapixel front camera, which is great for video calls. Weighing only 433 grams, the Fire HD 10 is a bit lighter than the previous model, making it easier to use for longer periods. While it shines in media consumption and basic tasks, it's mainly aimed at users who are already part of Amazon's ecosystem, as the limited app options might not appeal to those looking for a more flexible Android experience. Even with these drawbacks, the Amazon Fire HD 102023 is still a strong choice for budget-minded shoppers wanting a dependable tablet for entertainment and light work. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is an impressive entry-level tablet that provides a solid experience for anyone looking for an affordable device. It features an 11-inch TFT LCD screen with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, making it great for watching videos and playing casual games. The tablet runs on a reliable Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, which easily handles everyday tasks and entertainment. With options for up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, the A9 Plus allows for seamless multitasking and plenty of space for apps and media. A notable highlight is the addition of Samsung DeX, a first for the A series, which boosts productivity by offering a desktop-like setup when connected to an external monitor. The tablet is well built, with a sleek aluminum design that feels high quality. While the cameras aren't the best, they work fine for video calls and casual photos. The A9 Plus also has great battery life, although some users wish the charging speed was quicker. Samsung's One UI, based on Android 13, offers an easy-to-use interface with helpful features like a hideable taskbar and multi-window support. Plus, the microSD card slot allows for expandable storage, giving users the flexibility to increase their storage as needed. The audio experience is enhanced by Dolby Atmos support, providing a rich sound for movies and music. With Samsung's promise of long-term software updates, the A9 Plus ensures users will have a secure and up-to-date device for years to come. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus offers a great mix of performance, features, and affordability, making it a smart choice for anyone in the market for a capable Android tablet without spending too much. We really hope that our guide on the top budget tablets for students has assisted you in choosing the right device for your requirements. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tips tailored for students. We'd love to hear in the comments which tablet you're thinking about, or any suggestions you might have for fellow students. Be sure to check out our other videos for more detailed reviews and comparisons. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.